We continue from where we left in previous part. Terbinafine is a synthetic allylamine that is available in an oral formulation. Like griseofulvin, terbinafine is a keratophilic medication, but unlike griseofulvin, it is fungicidal. Like the azole drugs, it interferes with ergosterol biosynthesis, but rather than interacting with the P450 system, terbinafine inhibits the fungal enzyme squalene epoxidase. Griseofulvin's mechanism of action at the cellular level is unclear, with evidence suggesting action on mitotic spindle and DNA polymerization. It is deposited in newly forming skin where it binds to keratin, protecting the skin from new infection. Because its action is to prevent infection of these new skin structures, griseofulvin must be administered for 2 to 6 weeks for skin and hair infections to allow the replacement of infected keratin by the resistant structures. Nail infections may require therapy for months to allow regrowth of the new protected nail and is often followed by relapse. Flucytosine was discovered a year ago during a search for novel antineoplastic agents. Though devoid of anti-cancer properties, it became apparent that it is a potent antifungal agent. Flucytosine is a water-soluble pyrimidine analog related to the chemotherapeutic agent 5-fluorouracil, 5-FU. Its spectrum of action is much narrower than that of amphotericin B, hence, it is used in combination with amphotericin B or azoles. This is a very nicely designed table where you can find various antimycotics and their most uses against important pathogenic fungi in humans. The most important mechanism of drug action is also given as well as their routes of administration, whether topical or systemic. The last column shows important adverse effects. Take your time to navigate through this table. Here is a summary of antifungal drugs. See various drugs and their sites of action. This diagram shown here is about a relatively newly introduced class of topical-only drugs called morpholines alongside allylamines and azoles and their site of action in ergosterol synthesis. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy learning!